Bro, they issued another SVR. What the heck?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Homer Glen, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
Bro, what is wrong with you, Chicago?
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh my
Radar
God.
indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs,
Oh my
siding, and
God.
trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, South Shore, Roseland, Midway Airport, West Town, Lincoln Park, Burbank, Oak Forest, Homer Glen, Blue Island, Altus, Palos Hills, Lamont, Justice, Summit, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Bro, what the heck? What is going on with the reception signal?